Imagine waking up to the sound of birds, sunlight pouring through wide windows, and the smell of fresh coffee brewing just a few steps away. You open the door, step outside, and there it is: mountains, ocean, desert, wherever the road took you last night. No hotel checkouts, no strict schedules, just freedom. Today, we're stepping back into a time when motorhomes were built tough, simple, and full of character. This is the 1990 Chevrolet Motorhome, a classic road warrior that helped define American travel dreams. If you love old-school RVs, vintage road trips, or the idea of life on the open road, stay with me, because this one has a real story to tell. Let's start with the exterior. The 1990 Chevrolet Motorhome sits on the legendary Chevrolet P30 chassis, a platform known for its strength and long-term reliability. This motorhome wasn't built to be flashy or trendy. It was built to last. The front end is pure old-school Chevy, with a bold grille, square headlights, and a wide stance that makes it look confident and capable. You immediately get the feeling that this motorhome can handle long highways, mountain roads, and endless miles without complaining. Most models came in classic two-tone paint schemes, usually white mixed with beige or brown, or soft blue stripes. Nothing loud, nothing overdone, just clean, timeless American design. Large side mirrors give you a clear view down both sides, and the tall body hints at the serious living space waiting inside. This motorhome doesn't try to impress you. It earns your respect the moment you see it. You immediately get the feeling that this motorhome can handle long highways, mountain roads, and endless miles without complaining. Now step inside. The moment you enter the 1990 Chevrolet Motorhome, you're greeted by a warm, cozy feeling that many modern RVs seem to have lost. Soft fabrics, wood-style cabinets, and big windows create an atmosphere that feels more like a small cabin than a vehicle. This interior was designed for living, not just moving from place to place. The ceiling height feels generous, and the layout is open and practical. Everything feels familiar and easy to use, which makes daily life on the road feel natural. You can almost imagine a family laughing around the table, music playing quietly, and the road rolling by outside the windows. The living area is where this motorhome really starts to feel like home. Up front, you usually find a comfortable sofa or a dinette setup. During the day, it's perfect for relaxing, reading, or enjoying the view through the large windows. At night, many of these seating areas convert into additional sleeping space, making it great for families or guests. The seats are wide, soft, and supportive, built for long evenings rather than short stops. Natural light fills the space, and when you park near a lake or forest, it feels like the outdoors becomes part of your living room. This is where stories are shared, meals are enjoyed, and road trip memories are made. Moving into the kitchen area, the 1990 Chevrolet Motorhome keeps things simple and practical. You'll usually find a gas stove, a small oven, a sink with enough counter space, and a refrigerator with a freezer. There's nothing complicated here, and that's exactly the point. The cabinets are solid and offer plenty of storage for food, cookware, and travel essentials. This kitchen isn't about fancy cooking or modern gadgets. It's about making warm meals after a long drive and enjoying them wherever you decide to stop. Morning coffee tastes better when you're parked somewhere quiet, and simple dinners feel special when the road is your backyard. Toward the rear of the motorhome, you'll find the sleeping area. Most 1990 Chevrolet motorhomes feature a fixed bed or a convertible sleeping setup that offers a comfortable place to rest after a long day of driving. The mattress isn't luxury hotel level, but it's supportive and practical. Storage spaces surround the bed, with cabinets, drawers, and small closets for clothes and personal items. It's enough space to stay organized, even on longer trips. When you close the door and turn off the lights, it becomes your own private escape, a quiet place to recharge before the next day's journey. The bathroom is compact but complete. You get a toilet, a sink, and a shower, all packed into a small but functional space. It's not spacious, but it does the job well. Having your own bathroom means you're never dependent on rest stops or campground facilities, and that freedom alone makes a big difference when traveling. It's another reminder that this motorhome was designed to support real life on the road. Under the hood, most 1990 Chevrolet motorhomes came with a big V8 engine, often the famous 454 cubic inch engine. This engine isn't about speed or quick acceleration. It's about torque, durability, and confidence. Acceleration is smooth and steady, and highway cruising feels relaxed and stable. The sound of the engine reminds you that this machine comes from a time when engines were simple, strong, and built to work. Fuel economy isn't great, but no one chooses a classic motorhome like this to save fuel. You choose it for the experience, the feeling, and the journey itself. Back in 1990, this motorhome represented freedom for families, retirees, and adventure lovers. It allowed people to travel without hotels, explore at their own pace, and stay off the grid when they wanted. Chevrolet's reputation for durability gave owners confidence to go far from home, and many of these motorhomes are still on the road today, which says a lot about how well they were built. Compared to modern motorhomes, the 1990 Chevrolet feels very different. It has less technology, fewer screens, and almost no automation. Instead of touchscreens, you get switches and knobs. Instead of digital systems, you get mechanical simplicity. For many people, that's exactly the appeal. You feel connected to the vehicle. You feel involved in the journey, not just along for the ride. This motorhome is perfect for vintage RV lovers, weekend road trippers, DIY restorers, and anyone who values character over modern luxury. It's not about having the latest features or the most polished design. It's about charm, honesty, and a sense of adventure that's hard to find today. Now I'd love to hear from you. Would you take a classic motorhome like this on a long road trip? Or do you prefer modern RVs with all the latest features? Let me know in the comments which style you love more. The 1990 Chevrolet motorhome reminds us of a simpler time, when travel wasn't rushed and the journey mattered just as much as the destination. It's not perfect, and it's not modern, but it's reliable, full of soul, and built with purpose. Sometimes, that's exactly what the open road is calling for. If you enjoyed this classic motorhome review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more automotive and lifestyle content, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next road trip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.